What's up YouTube world? Welcome in or welcome back. We're going to get straight into today's copper and black smoky eye tutorial. Stick around until the end of the video to see more pictures of the completed look. I've completed one eye to show you how it will look, so let's get started on the other one. I'm going to use this light cream eyeshadow with this pencil brush for the highlight under the brow to start. I'll be using this light orange shade from my custom MAC palette, applying it with an eyeshadow brush in circular motions. I'll blend it from just above the crease up towards the brow bone, creating a rounded edge, and then sweep it along the lower lash line. For the next colour, I'll be using this slightly darker shade of orange with a different eyeshadow brush, applying it using the same technique but focusing slightly lower than the first shade. So start by applying black eyeliner to your waterline, then use a black eyeshadow and liner brush to buff it along the lower lash line, extending it into the outer corner of the eye. Next, mix a dark orange shade with black using a slim eyeshadow brush. Apply this to the outer corner and blend it into the crease, continuing to buff along the lower lash line for depth. Although I'm skipping glitter today, I'll still use a glitter gel as a base for the matte copper pigment. Apply the loose pigment with a flat brush using a tissue to catch any fallout. Then, with a short eyeshadow brush, softly buff the copper pigment into the crease to create a smooth transition. Now go back in with a slim brush and black eyeshadow to intensify the outer corner and lower lash line. Now using MAC's highlighter called Global Glow, apply it to the inner corners of the eyes and under the brow using a liner brush. Instead of liquid liner, opt for black eyeshadow and a short angle brush to softly line the upper lash line. Now give your lashes a generous coat of mascara, then apply your false lashes. For contouring, I'm using a Revolution warm bronzer with a large fluffy brush to define the cheekbones and frame the face around the hairline. For the nose, I'm using a fan brush for precision. To highlight, I'm applying the same highlighter to the cheekbones and nose with this brush using a liner brush to add a touch to the Cupid's bow. For the lips, I'm lining them with MAC's Boldly Bare lip liner, filling them with Creme de Nude lipstick and finishing with a touch of brown gloss applied with a flat brush. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more pictures and reels of this look and others. Feel free to send me a DM if you have any questions. I'd love to help. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.